Hello, we're at Shoe Wheeler and these are my shoes and this is me polishing my shoes. So I've been somewhere a little bit grubby in my lovely Barkers and it's got all this crud and such on, so, and it's in there into the well. So I take a brush like these are £1 from the pound shop, and give them a good brush with this, get into all the edges down here, good hard brush, and you can see all the dust and the crud, and then you've got a little bit on the back there to give them a scratch. We don't want all of this crud in with the polish when we give them a polish. So I've gone round them. This is one I did earlier and I went round it and I got all the, now I could get a wet cloth and sort this out, but I don't want to. I want them back on my bloody feet and I want to be going. So I take some of our lovely Hewitts Polish and one of our little Hewitts Applicator brushes. In fact, there's a softer one there. Dab it in there, and then look at this. Look here, look, just nice and thin. Nice and thin. Get onto that welt. Look at that. Look. No cloths. No finger polishing. Just a nice. I've not even took the laces out because I don't want to. I want to be getting back on with my life. I don't want to be polishing my shoes all day long. I know it's some people's hobby, but look at that there. Look, but the secret is it's quite thin, this polish. A little bit is going a long way all round that welt. Look at that. Get into there. Lovely. There you go. Look, polished. Now, something there. Look, something there. What on earth is that there? Have I scuffed it? No. Look at that. It's a little bit of glue. These have come across a bit of glue somewhere. All round there like that. And then we would leave that a minute normally, but no, we'll take a brush, crack on. We've got things to do, and we will just brush that up like that. I've got a brush here that's a bit cleaner. Now sometimes your brush gets a bit clogged up. We take it over to the machine and machine it all clean on the machine. You can take yours outside, rub it on a brick wall, and it will drag all the polish out, or in some boiling water with some washing liquid and get all that old polish out, because it stops you shining your shoe. Look at that coming up nice now. Beautiful. A quick polish up and I'm done. It's not perfect, but look at that. It's good enough. These are old shoes of mine. Look at the back linings in there. Look how they're worn. Look. Yep. They've had 2 heels. It's ready for another heel on there. And the uppers are still lovely and supple. No cracks in them. Some creases in them. They've had some right stick, these boots. And I don't put all the products on that I should do, really. I just put a little bit of polish on. Tiny little bit. That's where people kill the shoes. The polish gets in there, it dries up, and it just ruins the shoes. One more little trick for you, and you should try this. Look, a little bit of water there on the work surface. Take your brush, your off brush, and while you're polishing like that, dab it in there. Tiny little bit of water on there, and just watch the sheen come up on your shoe. So a tiny bit of water on there, across there when you're using your off brush. Look how that shines, how nice that is. Can you see that? Is it coming through on camera, that? Yeah? Little bit of water on the... So people worry about how much water to put on, spitting on the shoes, all that sort of thing. Just spray a bit on the surface, on your work surface, and just put it on there. Look at that. Look at that. Little bit of a dull part there. Get that water on there as well. And it just puts a nice glass-like finish. And that's it. That's my shoes polished, and I'm on with my life. Fantastic.